Today is Wednesday, September 14th. Your GD Fit 30 workout for today. It is every 2.5 minutes for 6 rounds or for 15 minutes. You're completing 15 wall balls and 15 dumbbell hang power clean and jerks in that 2.5 minute window. Now I expect you to have more or less 45 seconds to rest, but more realistically, you may have as little as 30 seconds to rest and as much as 1 minute to rest. Just it really depends on the weight that you choose and how you're moving. Now your wall balls, I really want to challenge you to go unbroken for today. 15 is going to be a challenge. Adjust the medicine ball weights, but I want to challenge you, try to do 15 unbroken, and that is the expectation on the wall balls. Watch your range of motion. We want quality wall balls, which includes a quality squat, and then thrusting the ball up to your targets. Adjust your range of motion depth as you need. Perhaps it's going to be to a box that's a little bit higher than maybe your hip, or rather your knee height. Adjust your squat depth as you need so you can do quality wall ball shots. But again, 15 unbroken is the goal. And then same with the dumbbell hang clean and jerks. The 15 unbroken is the goal. You'll have time, play with some weights, choose appropriately. But again, 45 seconds, kind of what I expect. Try to smoke through each round with the expectation of having some rest each round as well. Our 60-minute class, it's a 2-part workout with integrated 2-minute rest right there. But when you're inputting your score, you will only have one score your time. It's a 22-minute time cap for today. The first part is 3 rounds for time, 400-meter run, 3 cleans. After those 3 rounds, did I say 3 rounds for time? If I said 3 rounds for time, I didn't mean it. It's 3 rounds of 400-meter run and then 3 cleans. After those 3 rounds, then you take a 2-minute rest, check the clock, 2-minute rest, and then 6 rounds of a 200-meter run and 6 cleans, 6 rounds of that. At the end of that, then it's your time, and your score's your time. A common question that comes up is the 2 minutes included in your time? Yes, it is. The check beyond the whiteboard for weights. I believe off the top of my head, I believe the clean prescribed weight is 185 and 125, I think. But also on check beyond the whiteboard notes, which I believe should also say the weight should kind of force you to go by singles. If you're touch and going, then it's likely too light on this part. Unless you're going for the prescribed weights. If you're going for the prescribed weights and you feel like you could go 3 cleans, touch and go, then go for it. Also, I would encourage you to consider even scaling up the weight, because the goal for this, the idea, the stimulus for this is push the run, come in, put your hands right on the barbell and start your cleans going by singles. 2-minute rest, and then the second part, the 6 rounds for time, basically the same exact thing that you're doing here, only you're doing half the distance on the run and doubling the cleans and doubling the rounds. So 6 rounds, 200-meter run, 6 cleans. Check down the whiteboard notes for how much weight the cleans are here. So during that 2-minute rest, there will be a weight change. You're gonna drop weight a little bit. Use that as perhaps a strategy, kind of what you're putting on and what exact weights you're putting on the barbell for those 3. So maybe easy just to pull some weight off for those 6. 2 minutes though, it's enough time to take everything off and put something anew. Anyways, 22-minute time cap. Have fun with this one.